All right, what's up, everybody? HK2 Production. Now, this young man was on Having Have Nots. He was also on Greenleaf, and he was also on the new MacGyver on CBS, as well as the movie Bobby Christina. Not only is he a professional actor, he's my cousin. So this is my cousin Carl Kennedy. Fam all day long, you know. So we haven't had a chance to get out here and fish. We used to fish back in the day, man. We was catching some big ones, the monsters, man. So we back out here at a secret location, but you know, we're gonna catch on to some bass. I'm gonna put on a couple of jerk baits. So I'm gonna let him hit on that silver jerk bait, and I got a nice jerk bait that has like a little yellow trim on it. So we about to get out here and do some fishing. You ready, Carl?
I'm ready. Man,
look, we got more live action coming to you. Now make sure, before we get ready to fish, y'all hit that like and that subscribe button.
Yeah,
it don't cost you nothing.
And turn your notifications on.
That's what I'm talking about. All right, let's get it. All right, so here's what we're gonna do. Now, like on your side, like when you, cause you're gonna cast probably like, right where that stick is right there, you're gonna cast out, right? So here's how you do it. When you cast out, watch yourself, I'm gonna cast out. You're gonna
probably catch one right now.
Boom, let it hit the ground. Once it hit, either a reaction bite, they're gonna take it, or I got a little, I should put more line on this bad boy. It's all good though. And here's how you do it. Once you cast it out, a couple of jerks, pop, pop, all right? Let it sit a couple seconds, pop, pop. Now, when they take it, when I say they take it, you'll see your line just start darting off. Soon as it dart off, reel in that slack and set.
Okay.
Yeah. So that's all you're doing. Just pop, pop, reel. Pop, pop, reel. You see it in the water? Now watch how it pops.
Oh, that looks cool.
It'll do like that, and they think it's like a shad or something.
And they just take it.
And they take it and run. They be gone. That's all you got to do, man. And trust me, you'll catch one. Sure. You'll catch them out here. I know I ain't been that long, has it? So it's been a long time since you've been out here fishing. Well, not here, but fishing, period. Okay. See, like this, Carl? You go like this, reel, pop, pop. Reel, pop, pop. Ooh, yeah, that water level right here is kind of low. And sometimes they'll move. So if it's lower over here, they'll probably be on that other side, which we can check that out a little bit later. Are you good? Trust me, you'll know when they bite. Huh? Yeah, it'll catch you now. I'm trying to see where the deep end, because I think because this water right here is like really shallow. Yeah.
You don't want to go to the damn
No, sir.
marshlands. It's stuck.
I'm sorry. Trying to get to a nice little warmer spot. I know Clyde be hate when I had this thing on, cause he was like, oh boy.
You already know.
That's what I'm thinking. But it don't look like no pecan tree. It don't look like no pecan tree. Oh, dang. That was ugly. I wonder if that's what they picking. I hope it ain't because they drained the pond. I said I hope it ain't affecting because they drained, because the water usually higher than this. Oh, I'm stuck on something, ain't I? Die. No, it's a. I got it. It was stuck on a tree. A fish stick. I know, that's why I waited we're pulling for. I was like, yay! What? That was a fish, wasn't it? I saw him when he pulled.
Okay, that's the problem. I mean, when you went back to the car and I pulled it up and it was bending like this, and then I felt when it popped loose and it came back clean.
Because usually
That's
after
the second time, the same spot,
after
straight
the
out.
after the third time, they won't bite.
Straight out over.
I'm like this, I always catch fish. But for you to catch one, that makes my day. It look like they cut all of this because before, all of this was tall. You couldn't even walk around this side. That's a good spot right there. Yeah. It's gonna be a big one. Get out of here. That's what I'm talking about, baby.
Oh, I just caught a fish. Take a picture, Bobby. Hold on, I just caught a fish. Oh my God. What in the world? Am I on camera? Oh God. There we go, baby.
That's
what
what I'm
happened,
talking about.
Bobby, baby?
That's what I'm talking about, baby.
I'm on the camera, baby.
Carl on the phone. Here, go this way.
On the phone.
And play the light. On the phone.
This Scotty Brown.
And caught a nice bass. Bit that bad boy bit it too, man. Yes, sir. Oh man, that's beautiful, man. All right, y'all. It was a good day today. Got out here with Cuzzo. Man, he caught on to a nice one.
We did.
You know, and he used the nice good old Z-Man jerk bait. I mean, and he caught it. Sitting on the phone chilling, they caught it, man. But I'm happy though. I'm happy that he got out here, because how long has it been since you
Oh
fishing?
man, years.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
So,
we had a great time. Two
and for him,
locations.
yeah,
2 locations, 2 cousins, 1 fish. We worked it out.
that's what I'm talking about. So that was a great day, because anytime I spend time with my family, which is not that often, you know, that made my day, you know. So if y'all like it, hit that like button, hit that subscribe, and definitely that notification bell so you can see some upcoming videos. Like I said, Carl, thanks for being here, fam.
Anytime.
You know what I'm saying? But hey, I'm glad y'all like this. Hit us up. Tell me what you think. HK2 Production.
Subscribe.
Yes. And my cousin Carl Kennedy, check him out on Instagram. I'm going to also put his link down on my description box so you can follow him on Instagram, all right? Much love to y'all. Thank you for watching. We out.